So hey friends, in the last video I did where I responded to your comments, someone asked about the Soundpeats Engine 4 and how they sounded with Nirvana and the Red Hot Chili Peppers. Well, I did respond to that, however I really can't give you a good sense without actually giving you samples. So that's the purpose of this short, so check it out.